Welcome to day 4 of advanced level 2 exercise regime for diabetics management. In the last 3 days we focused on lower body, core, upper body, and today we are moving back to the lower body, focusing on building strength in our legs. So let's welcome Manish. Let's get going.
Are you ready to beat diabetes? So, are you ready for a change? Are you ready to sweat it out? 3, 2, 1.
Hello everyone. So today we'll start with a warm up. So as warm up is always important and essential. If you had did earlier session of our beginner level, you had seen we had did very light warm up also. So this will be because you had did for the month, more than month you had did all these exercises. Now you are doing this. So hope this warm up will be for next level of your exercises, which we will be showing further. Yeah? So let's start with the warm up. We will start from the head to toe. Slowly we will take all the body parts, we will mobilize it, loosen it. Yeah? Okay, let's start with the head. Up down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Change left right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Change 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next one, side bend dynamically. 1, 2. Yeah, good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next, we will do the front, back, up, back. Front, back. Got it? Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes. Next one, alternate toe touch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next one, 1, 2. इससे आपका groins mobilize होएगा, and it is very important to mobilize your groins before doing, because feet and groins are the ignored part. Yeah, relax. Next one, we will do the hip rotation. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next one, calf raises. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Next one, for your ankle, up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Left right, same leg. If you want, left right. If you want, take 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. With another leg, we will do the rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. 1, 2, 3. If you want to take support, please take it. Not an issue. Relax. दूसरा पैर. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Next one we will do for the hamstring. We will loosen the hamstring muscle. Just you have to stand and bend down. Your knee should be locked and swing. We will show. Yes. Make sure your knee should be locked. Yeah, you start. Yeah, you just swinging the hand. Make sure you are getting the stretch in your hamstring. You are loosening the hamstring muscles. Yeah, relax. Next one we will do few kicks. Front kick. 1, 2. आराम से करो. अगर आपसे नहीं होता है, कम होता है, चलेगा. इतना किया चलेगा. कम किया तो भी चलेगा. बट लेग शुड बी स्ट्रेट और पैर को टच करने के लिए अपने बॉडी को नीचे मत लेकर आओ. यस, दूसरे पैर का फ्रंट किक. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Switch to another leg. Sideways. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Spot jog. 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next one, jumping jacks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next one, butt kick. You have to swing your hand. See his leg movement. He's trying to pull his leg behind and kicking behind as much as possible. Relax. Next one and the last one, we will do the high knee. Do it with the low intensity. First hold low intensity. Yeah, relax. Yes, इतना किया तो भी चलेगा. और जो थोड़ा और ऊपर फिर धीरे धीरे जितना, yes, इतना भी चलेगा. Don't do more than this. Yeah, you will do the relax. Okay, we are done with the warm up. Now we will start with our workout. Thank you. Hello. So today we are going to do the lower body workout. So Vivek Damani, yeah, hope you know now by name. Till now we did so many exercises with him. So he will show the lower body workout. He is very good in doing the lower body workout also with the upper body, which he had did previously in all the levels. Yes. So let's see what he have in the plan for this level of workout. Let's start with it.
Yep.
Yeah. The first one we will do the squats with the front and back walk. He will show how to do. In the squat position, make sure your knee should not go ahead of your foot. 2 step ahead, 2 step back. ऐसा ही करना है. Yes? Hope you got it. And basic principle जो आप लोगों ने पहले सीखा है, आपका नी फुट के आगे नहीं आना चाहिए. बॉडी का वेट पीछे लो, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Okay. Huh? We had done the first workout. Next workout, we will do the left and right walk. Yeah? That you can say the lateral walk also. Yeah? Show how to do. 1, 2, 1, 2. Yeah? Got it? 2 step this side, 2 step this side. You can do max 3 steps this side. Yes? बट मैं इनिशियल स्टेज पे आप लोग फर्स्ट टाइम कर रहे हैं तो 2 स्टेप ही कीजिए, बाद में चाहिए तो बढ़ा लेगा, 3-4 बार आप कर दोगे. यस, बिकॉज यू विल नोइंग बी योर कैपेसिटी. लेट्स स्टार्ट. 3, 2, स्टार्ट. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax, relax. Next one, we'll do the bear squat with the movement. We will do the pulsing. He will show how to do it. Yes. Go behind. Yes. Go behind. थोड़ा हाथ पीछे. Yeah. आपको खाली आगे पीछे, आगे पीछे. Your knee will not be touching on the ground. या वो चीज का ध्यान रखना, मेजर मिस्टेक हो जाता है. नहीं हम लोग धीरे धीरे ग्राउंड पे रख देते हैं. या प्लीज डोंट. लेट्स स्टार्ट. 3, 2, स्टार्ट. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Last 15 seconds. 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Very nice. Good one. अभी नेक्स्ट वन सेम बियर स्क्वाट ही करेंगे, बट उसका एक वेरिएशन करेंगे. हम लोग होल्ड करेंगे. होल्ड. होल्ड कैसे करते हैं विवेक विल शो. टिल दैट टाइम योर break time is there. Yes, you have to just hold. See, his knee is not touching on the ground. Knee is not touching on the ground. Yeah, that is the most important thing. Yeah. Okay, we'll start in a 5 seconds. Get ready. 3, 2, start. 1, 2. You have to just hold. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. You can take a break in between if required. Yeah, you can keep both legs down in between if you required. Yeah, इससे क्या है आपको ब्रेक मिलेगा. ज़्यादा आप लोग को प्रेशर नहीं आएगा बॉडी पे. Yeah, last 10 seconds. Keep doing it, guys. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Great. Come on. And the last one, we will show the lunges variation. One of the variation of the lunges. Yeah. He will do the bounding with the lunges. Yeah. Start. Show how to do. First backward lunge. And kick. Yeah. Showing this way. Yes. पीछे वाला पैर लंजिस पोजीशन में लेके आते हैं, फिर आगे आते हैं, पीछे आगे, पीछे आगे, पीछे आगे. किक नहीं करना है. You have to just lift it. Relax. Just you have to lift it like this. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We'll take the 10-second break. We'll take the 10-second break. Then we will do another leg. Yeah? Let's start. 4, 3, 2, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. As we finish our workout, it is always important to the cool down. As had explained earlier also, cool down is very important. Yeah, so we'll do the cool down also from your head to toe. We will show each exercise from head to toe will be 10 seconds, but you can do, if you have more time, you can do it for 20 to 30 seconds also. Yeah, this will make your body relaxed. You will feel like you can do all the workout again. Yeah, that is what the magic of the cool down or limb body. Yeah, okay. Let's start. Ready for the
Yes,
cool down?
yes.
Yeah. Let's start with the head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next one. Yeah. Perfect. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One we will do for the triceps. Yes, have to pull down like this. Yes. The way he is doing. You will get the stretch here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next one, we will do side bend hold. Yeah? Static side bend रहेगा, hold रखेंगे. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next one, forward bend like this. आपके हिप को पीछे की तरफ स्ट्रेच करना है. आपको हैमस्ट्रिंग में स्ट्रेच आएगा. 1, 2. ये देखो, ये हिप को पीछे की तरफ स्ट्रेच कर रहा हूँ. तो आपको he is showing in the other direction. हिप को पीछे डायरेक्शन में ये किए तो आपके हैमस्ट्रिंग में स्ट्रेच आएगा. Yes, relax. Now next one, go down in the center. Go ahead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next one, he will show for the hip like this. In the lunges position, but static. Hold रखेंगे. आपके hip और glutes दोनों में stretch आएगा. हील ग्राउंड पे टच नहीं रहेगा, हील ग्राउंड पे टच नहीं रहेगा। अपर बॉडी स्ट्रेट है, आगे वाला पैर 90 डिग्री है, पीछे वाला पैर भी इतना एक्सटेंड कर सकते हैं। 4 3 2 1। या दूसरे साइड करेंगे, अभी दूसरे साइड। 1 2, अपर बॉडी स्ट्रेट, नी 90 डिग्री, पीछे वाला पैर एक्सटेंड, हील डाउन टच नहीं है, रिलैक्स। नेक्स्ट वन फॉरवर्ड बेंड, हाथ ऐसे ऊपर लेंगे और नीचे जाएंगे। आप गो डाउन स्लोली, यस। नी लॉक है, लेग स्ट्रेट है, आपको हैमस्ट्रिंग में स्ट्रेच आएगा। हाँ, दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। बस अगर कोई अपना फोरहेड नी को टच कर सकता है वो भी कर सकते हैं। रिलैक्स रिलैक्स। अभी एक बैक के लिए करेंगे, गो बैक। 1 2 3 4 5 6। आप लोग जितना कर सकते हैं उतना ही करना। रिलैक्स रिलैक्स रिलैक्स। नेक्स्ट वन वी विल डू वन फॉर द ग्लूट्स। पैर ऐसे करेंगे और फिर सिट डाउन, जितना भी नीचे बैठ सकते। परफेक्ट। 1 2। एक जगह पे देखो तो आपका कंसंट्रेट करोगे ना एक जगह पे तो आपका हो जाएगा। 5 4 3 2। अभी दूसरे पैर के लिए करेंगे। या विल डू फॉर द अनदर लेग। स्टार्ट। 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10। Relax. One we will do for the groin. One we will do for the groin. Sit down like this and just stretch. आपके एल्बो से थाइस को बाहर की तरफ पुश करना है। 1 2। You feel the stretch in your groin. Groins मतलब ये पार्ट। Just you will feel the stretch there. Huh? Relax. That is most ignored part while doing any of the workout. Either warm up, cool down. So we had purposely included in our program. One we will do for the quads. You will just lift it. Again, आप एक जगह पे देखो नहीं होता है तो आप बैलेंस ले सकते हो, दीवार से चलेगा। या 4 5 6 7 8 9। दूसरे पैर के लिए करेंगे, दूसरे पैर के लिए। 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10। Next one we will do Trikonasana. क्रॉस ट्राइंगल पोज। परफेक्ट। ऊपर देखना है स्काई पे। यस, आप घर में कर रहे हो तो सीलिंग पे देखिए। 4 5 6 7 8 9। अदर साइड। 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9। Relax. Next one we will do few sitting exercises. Sitting stretches. यहाँ पे बैठ जाओ, आपका पैर इधर आएगा। Perfect. अभी just both the legs straight, both the legs straight. Perfect. Just bend down, forward bend. Again, आपका जो ये पैर है ये जितना ग्राउंड की तरफ रहेगा उतना अच्छा है। या 5 4 3 2 1। रिलैक्स। या बटरफ्लाई बटरफ्लाई। थोड़ा मैट पे आ जाओ। Now just swing it. 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10। एक आर्च आर्च देखिए कैसे आर्च कर रहे हैं. यस, देन अगेन डू 4 to 5 टाइम. यस, बट डू इट वेरी स्लोली. दिस इज फॉर रिलैक्सिंग योर बैक. दिस इज वेरी गुड फॉर योर बैक. यस, so you must do it. Yeah, relax. Next one, you will sit in the Vajrasan, sit. Yeah. Just press your body, yes. Just sit down for 10 to 20 seconds. हम लोग 10 सेकेंड के लिए ही करेंगे. Relax. Come up. The last one we will do with the breathing exercise. Inhale up करेंगे और exhale down करेंगे. We will show. Inhale up मतलब वो सांस अंदर लेके ऊपर जा रहे हैं और सांस छोड़ेंगे तो नीचे आ रहे हैं. Very slowly with his breathing rhythm. उनका हाथ भी ऊपर जा रहा है और breathing rhythm से ही जैसे exhale कर रहे हैं down हो रहा है. Inhale ले रहे हैं तो ऊपर, exhale तो down. Yeah, relax. Hope you enjoyed the session. And if you haven't subscribed our channel, please subscribe it for more updates. We will keep posting many more videos for you and many other elements also. Yeah, thank you.